Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we will be doing a teaser of 31 Palmer Drive, which is located near Upper Kharadi, Wagodi, Pune and developed by Bandari Associate. And in this video we will be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, you're just doing an inquiry. Your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. 31 Palmer Drive will be constructed on 6 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers. Each tower will be having 5-level parking plus 21 floors, having 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's discuss about the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस इन वर्किंग एंड राइट हैंड साइड में देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर पैलेडियम प्लाजा, ऊपर खराड़ी, वागोड़ी, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है पुणे नगर हाईवे विद इन 100 मीटर्स, Zudio also in 100 meters and also D-Mart within 1.6 km. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 40 plus luxurious amenities like amphitheater, cricket turf, gymnasium, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, senior sit out area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, 31 Palmer Drive has 3 BHK premium residences, in which 3 BHK starting from 10902 to 1209 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model. We'll share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the project teaser of 31 Palmer Drive, which is located near Upper Kharadi, Wagodi, Pune and developed by Bandari Associate. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.